The fastest red engine on Sodor. James. It's a Myth traffic engine. And it has the red engine. Oh. James is the fastest. Out of the way, Toby! Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Hey, James! James, stop making your brake gun ruin. Oh, sorry. James, that was the last time. You know what? I'm half the breath. I won't. I didn't say. Well, one other time you wouldn't break blocks? Oh yeah, I forgot. Don't worry, they'll give me metal brakes, and also I was red. Why ask Rosie? Rosie not fast, and she's not red. She's pink. She's red now. I saw her this morning today. Red? Rosie's red me? Red what? What? Hey! How come no one told me I'm red? But I was red too. And me. And me. And me. What? James had to take the truck. I'm not taking truck. I don't like my job. Taking truck. I don't like truck. I'm too splendid for you early poo coaches. Then, Rosie. Hello, James. You are red. I didn't even think it. What do you think? I told that you try to be better than me. No, I'm not. Maybe a little squeaky wheel. Yeah, squeaky wheel. Why are they calling me? Never mind. You alright? Okay. Let's go. James. Red signal, James. Whoa! James, you need to call an accident. You need to take the steamer. I'll take the truck. Okay. James went to the steamworks, but his brakes are not broken. Huh? Oh well. I guess. That'll work. Vector can. Huh? Kevin! Yeah, boy? Have you been leaking oil again? No, boy. What's that? It is me. James. Yeah, James. Oh. Help me. Rosie. James. Help me, Rosie. I'm going too far. Use your brake. No. I can't. I broke it. Oh, okay. Did it happen to venture again? Nope. James! James! Are you alright? Yep. Alright. Yep. Ow. I'm in trouble. It definitely do. I told you many times not to show you. Now, you ruined the shit. But, James had problems with the right. Try the steamer. Dean went to the steamer. I did go, but I thought the problem started. Honestly, James. I'm better. I have a whole problem. I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, Rosie. I should know I'm the first engine. Well, Maybe you also paid attention. Aww. Previously on Tom and Friends remake, James been having some brakes problems, and he and Rosie having a race. Then he been leaking some brake fluid, and now he crashed into Tiffany's sheds. What happened to us? You're watching Tom Friend remake. A father? No, not that. A shed for Edward. One night, like this night, the Fat Control been mad because, alright, two of you were intending to get fixed, and even James, and you get fixed, and before Rowan took my shed. Aww. Edward, where can I take? Hey, Edward can sleep with me. Okay. Sleep better! Yay! Soon, Edward and Philip sleeping near to Wellsville Station. Thanks. Oh, Edward, let me tell you about Reverend Gordon. I won! Edward Philip been talking, Edward. Good night, sleep. D-shed! How long will we get our shed back? 7 days? 7 days? I'll have to sleep somewhere else tonight. He decided to sleep with the dogs. Dogs tonight with... Sure you can sleep here tonight. Good night. One has to win. Sorry to tell you, but Salty always sings song that I can't fall asleep without. How long is it for? About 2 hours. Oh man, it'll be a long night. Edward didn't got much sleep. Oh, hey Edward, you got a good place to sleep and come to me. Bye. Oh, I do. Thank you using the teamwork vector. Don't try it, Edward. Sorry, we need to get Jane fixed. Oh. Edward been looking for place to sleep, and he can't. The next morning, Edward was very, very tired. Oh, hey, Edward, sleep. Edward, what's wrong? Percy? Edward, why? Oh, thanks, Philip. Why you didn't sleep with me? You don't like me? No, you're too noisy. Be quiet. Why is it in the first place? Wait, really? Yeah. Got a book. Okay, I guess I'll sleep. Good night. At night, Edward went back to sleep with Wellsville. Thank you. Philip, be very quiet and thank you for my sleep. I feel very fresh now. Oh, hey. That's good. A few days later, Tiffany's shed had been fixed again. Well, Edward, welcome back to Tiffany's sheds. Everyone's back, and then Jay. guess I'll sleep with one night. But I have an idea. Would I guys sleep with Philip? Sure, in the neighborhood. Well, did that Thomas? Ed was gonna sleep with me. Thomas, we can see each other every day. Okay, Edward. So long, Edward. Yep. Who's gonna fill up this empty space? Don't know. Yay! Say ever! Yes, it is, Philip. The end.